As we are all going through this difficult phase of COVID-19 or coronavirus infection, I'm here to talk about why coronavirus infections is very important in causing respiratory problems and how to take care of it in simple manners. This coronavirus is a viral infection which specifically targets the breathing apparatus of our body, mainly the upper respiratory tract, which includes the nose, throat, the upper airways, trachea, pharynx, and the lower airways in terms of again trachea, bronchi, lungs, and the alveoli. So as we all have seen, most of these coronaviral infected people, 80 to 85%, they are normal. They do not have any severe problems. They might have just some mild cough, fever or sore throat, and it will pass on as a common cold or because of the natural immunity. It is a self-limiting infection in almost 80 to 85% of the infected people. In another 10 to 15% of those who are affected with coronavirus, especially in those elderly more than 60 years or those with other immunocompromising conditions like diabetes, heart disease, kidney problems, those who are on dialysis or on chronic immunosuppressive therapy in the form of steroids or cancer chemotherapy, such people are more vulnerable to get affected by coronavirus infection and its complications in the form of pneumonia, respiratory failure, going on ventilator, requiring very high oxygen, and most of these patients, almost up to the tune of 2 to 5%, are difficult to survive also, and they may succumb to this coronavirus infection. So as our Honorable Prime Minister has also been guiding us through this lockdown, safe distancing and social distancing, and remaining safe at home, we can prevent getting infected, because it's a very highly infectious disease, because it spreads from one person to another even without the persons knowing who is affected and who is not. So it's very important to be safe from this infection, and also by making our own immune system strong in terms of getting good nutrition, high protein diet, proper balanced diet and proper timings, good exercise, breathing exercises, yogasana, pranayama, in terms of improving your lung health and away from dust and polluted atmosphere, which is almost has come down because of the lockdown, and maintaining our regular immunity and good nutrition, and maintaining our good respiratory system in terms of breathing exercises. And if you are suffering from any respiratory ailments, you can continue to be on your regular treatment in the form of either inhalers or the puffs which you are taking, and patients who are on home oxygen or non-invasive ventilation also are safe to continue their own treatment. But it's very important to be at home and avoid getting exposed to this infection, because the risk of having complications is more in such people. So I would request you all to please follow the guidelines laid down by government, our administration, our health professionals, and stay home, stay safe. Let us fight this coronavirus together. Thank you.